Los Angeles is a vibrant city with many safe and wonderful areas, but like any major city, it also has neighborhoods that are known for higher crime rates. When discussing these places, it's important to approach the topic with sensitivity and respect for the communities involved. In this video, we'll take a look at some areas in Los Angeles that are statistically known for higher crime rates. South Los Angeles. South Los Angeles, often referred to as South LA, is a large, diverse region with a complex history. While many parts of South LA are vibrant and full of cultural richness, certain neighborhoods face ongoing challenges related to crime and safety. Main crime concerns include gang-related violence, property crimes, and drug activity. South LA has a long history of gang presence, with well-known gangs like the Crips and Bloods originating here. Gang-related violence remains a significant issue, impacting both members and residents caught in the crossfire. Areas within South LA report higher rates of violent crimes, including assault, robbery, and homicide. These incidents are often linked to gang disputes, economic struggles, and social factors. Property crimes such as burglary, theft, and car break-ins are common. Economic challenges and high unemployment rates can contribute to these types of offenses. Drug trafficking and abuse are prevalent issues. South LA is a hotspot for the sale and distribution of illegal drugs, leading to associated crimes such as possession and trafficking. Notable areas include Watts, Compton, neighborhoods along Florence Avenue, and South Park. While discussing crime, it's crucial to acknowledge the resilience and efforts of the people in these communities who are working to improve their neighborhoods. South LA is home to many hard-working individuals and families who contribute positively to the city's fabric. Skid Row. Skid Row in Los Angeles is one of the most well-known and concentrated areas of homelessness in the United States. It is a neighborhood where the challenges of poverty, addiction, mental health issues, and lack of housing converge, creating a complex environment with significant crime concerns. Main crime concerns include high rates of violent assault, drug-related crimes, and property theft. Other safety concerns include mental health crises, sexual assault, and overburdened social services. Skid Row experiences a high incidence of violent crimes, including assaults, robberies, and homicides. These crimes are often a result of disputes, mental health crises, or substance abuse issues. Drug use and trafficking are rampant in Skid Row. The area is known for open drug markets, where substances like heroin, methamphetamine, and synthetic drugs are frequently bought and sold. Property crimes, including theft, burglary, and vandalism, are common in Skid Row. Many incidents involve the theft of personal belongings from the homeless, who often carry all their possessions with them. Skid Row is generally considered to be bounded by Main Street, 3rd Street, 7th Street, and Alameda Street in downtown LA. The area is densely populated with homeless individuals and encampments. Despite the challenges, there is also a strong sense of community among residents and a network of nonprofits and activists working to improve conditions. It's crucial to approach Skid Row with a compassionate perspective, recognizing the humanity and struggles of its residents. The area is a focal point for broader societal issues such as homelessness, poverty, and mental health, and addressing these concerns requires a concerted effort from both the community and larger societal systems. Westlake. Westlake, Los Angeles, is a densely populated neighborhood with a rich cultural heritage. However, it also faces significant challenges related to crime and safety. Located just west of downtown Los Angeles, Westlake has seen a mix of revitalization efforts and persistent crime issues. Crime concerns include violent crime, gang activity, property crimes, and drug trafficking. Westlake reports higher than average rates of violent crimes, including assaults, robberies, and homicides. Factors such as gang activity, poverty, and dense population contribute to these incidents. Like many areas in Los Angeles, Westlake is home to several gangs that engage in criminal activities such as drug trafficking, extortion, and territorial disputes. The 18th Street Gang is notably active in the area. Economic hardships and high-density living conditions often contribute to these types of offenses. Drug trafficking and abuse are significant issues in Westlake. Open drug markets and the use of substances like methamphetamine and heroin are prevalent. MacArthur Park, a historic but troubled landmark, is a central feature of Westlake. It has been a focal point for both community gatherings and crime. Approach discussions about crime in Westlake with sensitivity, recognizing the efforts of residents, community leaders, and organizations working to improve safety and quality of life. Westlake is a neighborhood with significant cultural and historical value, and addressing its challenges requires a comprehensive and compassionate approach. Central City East. Central City East, often referred to as part of the larger Skid Row area in downtown Los Angeles, is an area known for its significant challenges related to crime and social issues. This neighborhood is characterized by a high concentration of homeless individuals and a variety of social services aimed at supporting this vulnerable population. Crime concerns here are similar to Skid Row, with issues related to high violence, drug use, and property crimes. Central City East experiences a significant amount of violent crime, including assaults, robberies, and homicides. These incidents are often exacerbated by substance abuse, mental health crises, and conflicts among the homeless population. Drug use and trafficking are major issues in Central City East. Open drug markets and the widespread availability of substances like heroin and methamphetamine are common. Property crimes such as theft, burglary, and vandalism are frequent. Many incidents involve the theft of personal belongings from the homeless, who often have limited means to secure their possessions. Mental health issues, sexual assault, prostitution, and street crimes are also big safety concerns in this area. Central City East is generally defined as the area east of the downtown business district, bordered by Alameda Street to the west, the Los Angeles River to the east, 3rd Street to the north, and 7th Street to the south. The neighborhood encompasses a mix of residential buildings, shelters, social services, and businesses. Skid Row, a notable area within Central City East, is particularly dense with homeless encampments and services. Central City East is a neighborhood facing significant challenges, but also demonstrating resilience and community effort. It's important to approach discussions about crime and safety with empathy, recognizing the humanity and struggles of its residents. The area requires comprehensive and compassionate solutions to address its complex issues and improve the quality of life for everyone involved. Hollywood. Hollywood, Los Angeles, is famous for its entertainment industry landmarks, vibrant nightlife, and tourist attractions. However, beneath its glitzy surface, Hollywood also faces significant crime and safety issues. These concerns are driven by a mix of economic disparities, high-foot traffic, and nightlife activities. Crime concerns include high rates of violence, theft, and drug-related offenses. Hollywood experiences notable levels of violent crime, including assaults, robberies, and occasional homicides. These incidents are often linked to nightlife, disputes, and the area's high tourist traffic. Property crimes such as theft, burglary, and vehicle break-ins are common in Hollywood. Tourists are often targeted due to their unfamiliarity with the area and their possession of valuables. Drug trafficking and use are significant issues in Hollywood. The area has a visible presence of drug dealers and users, particularly in certain hotspots known for open drug markets. Notable areas include some sections of East Hollywood and parts of the Hollywood Boulevard area at night. The Los Angeles Police Department, LAPD, maintains a significant presence in Hollywood with patrols focused on tourist areas, nightlife hotspots, and areas with high crime rates. Hollywood is a neighborhood of contrasts, with both vibrant attractions and significant challenges. Addressing crime in Hollywood requires a comprehensive and compassionate approach that recognizes the needs and contributions of all community members. Venice Beach. Venice Beach, located in Los Angeles, is renowned for its iconic boardwalk, vibrant culture, and artistic community. However, this popular destination also faces significant crime and safety challenges, influenced by its status as a major tourist attraction and the presence of a large homeless population. Crime concerns include high rates of property crime, violent crime, and drug-related activities. Venice Beach sees frequent property crimes, including theft, burglary, and vehicle break-ins. Tourists and beachgoers are often targeted due to their unfamiliarity with the area and the valuables they carry. While less common than property crimes, Venice Beach does experience violent crimes such as assaults and robberies. These incidents often occur in areas with heavy foot traffic, particularly at night. Drug use and trafficking are notable issues in Venice Beach. The boardwalk and surrounding areas sometimes serve as open markets for the sale and use of illicit substances. The Los Angeles Police Department, LAPD, maintains a visible presence in Venice Beach, with patrols focused on the boardwalk and other high-traffic areas. Community policing initiatives aim to build trust and cooperation with residents and businesses. Venice Beach is a unique and dynamic community, with its own set of challenges and strengths. Approaching these issues with empathy and a commitment to comprehensive, compassionate solutions is crucial for enhancing safety and quality of life. Boyle Heights. Boyle Heights, located east of downtown Los Angeles, is a historic and culturally rich neighborhood known for its strong community ties and vibrant Latino heritage. However, like many urban areas, Boyle Heights faces significant challenges related to crime and public safety. Crime concerns include gang activity, violent crime, and drug-related offenses. Boyle Heights has a long history of gang activity, with several gangs operating in the area. These gangs are involved in various criminal activities, including drug trafficking, extortion, and violent crimes. Incidents of violent crime, including assaults, robberies, and homicides, are significant concerns in Boyle Heights. These crimes often stem from gang disputes, domestic violence, and opportunistic attacks. Drug use and trafficking are persistent problems in Boyle Heights. The presence of open-air drug markets and the easy availability of substances like methamphetamine and heroin contribute to crime and public health issues. Boyle Heights is generally bounded by the Los Angeles River to the west, the city of Vernon to the south, East Los Angeles to the east, and Lincoln Heights to the north. The Los Angeles Police Department, LAPD, engages in community policing strategies in Boyle Heights, working to build trust and cooperation with residents. Targeted enforcement efforts focus on reducing gang activity and violent crime. Boyle Heights is a neighborhood with deep cultural roots and a strong sense of community. Addressing its crime and safety issues requires a holistic approach that recognizes and builds on these strengths. Inglewood. Inglewood, located in Los Angeles County, like many urban areas, has had a history of crime concerns, though it has seen changes over time. In recent years, efforts have been made to improve safety and community relations, but parts of Inglewood still report higher crime rates. It's always good to stay informed about the current situation and local resources before visiting. Main crime concerns in this area include property crime, gang violence, and drug-related issues. Property crimes like burglary, theft, and motor vehicle break-in are concerns in Inglewood, though these rates have seen fluctuations over the years. Inglewood has historically had higher-than-average rates of violent crime compared to the national average. This includes crimes such as homicide, assault, and robbery. The area is located in southwest of downtown LA, near LAX, approximately 10 miles, 16 kilometers, from the city center. While Inglewood faces some challenges related to crime, ongoing efforts by law enforcement, community groups, and residents aim to improve safety and reduce crime rates in the area. It is at a crossroads, with opportunities for growth and revitalization balanced against challenges of maintaining safety and community cohesion. Remember, while these areas have higher crime statistics, they also have communities working hard to improve and address these challenges. Always approach with respect and understanding.